So, a vacuum, just wanted to let you know this is the Compact Electra. It's got a new cord on it. It's got a new bracket and a new filter. Yay! Not the new one. It's got screws instead of rivets, but it'll do. Finally fixed. I can get it on there. There! It's on there. Just have to use a little finesse to get it on. This is the shop vac that I've modified to access a electric hose. Yeah, buddy. Wet and dry and power nozzle. And a tripler too. This is the bin for all my smaller attachments. And this is my bags of bags. And the other attachments at the bottom. Here we have the other knickknacks. Here we have the Electrolux upright with the new hose, as I cannot stand a stretch hose that doesn't stretch. Right now it needs a new cord hook for my cord, because it's all mixed up. I need a cord hook. Those are my two power heads. And over here I have all my manuals and my books and my brushes and my knickknacks. And here I have all my hoses. This is the Electrolux hose right here. Focus, you darn thing. Here's the Electrolux hose that I've modified with an adapter that goes from 1 1/4 to 2 1/2 with pièce de résistance and pigtail. This pigtail connects to this, which makes that work with that right there. So, stacked up all my hoses just to, keep him out of the way. Here's my Electrolux. It is Flow Pro Heavy Duty powder strip. $1,200 later. Here's my Moto 86 that needs a new handle and motor and wiring and switch and gone through from A to Z, but will get done eventually when I get the parts. They're expensive. Here's all my nap lifters. I have some knickknacks, some extra cord, and you'll love this. The Compact Cleaning System C80. Oh yes. I have the book. Actually, I have two. I have the C8 and the C80. I have the book for the Compact Electra. You see, compact. Oh. It's easy to keep maintenance on the compact when I have the book. I have the owner's manual for my Compact Electra. How neat is that? I just need to get the book for this one. So that's what I've been up to, just organizing all the bits and pieces of my vacuum and all the bins and sorting through it, what's good, what's bad, and there is my repair pal. My things I need to work on, and my spare parts. But we'll get done there eventually, so I'll put the hose on, I'll get back to you.